Welcome to all. Tractor operated two-row sugarcane seedling transplanter. By using the equipment, we can transplant the sugarcane seedlings one by one in the plowed field. By using this equipment, we can change the row spacing 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet easily. Also, we can change the plant to plant spacing as 1 feet, 1.5 feet, and 2 feet. Also, we can change the depth of planting by using the machine. By using this machine, we can use very less seed can compared to conventional set cutting planting. Also, we can save 25 to 30% labor cost by using the sour can seedling transplanter. By using the transplanter, we can save 30 to 40% irrigation water when compared to conventional set cutter planting. Now we can see the on conventional sugarcane set cut planting. In the conventional sugarcane set cut planting, the whole can be cut into 3 to 4 pieces. Then it will be planted in the uh, irrigation channel formed by human labor. So it consumes more labor and more water. Also, the plant row spacing in the conventional method is very close. It will give less aeration and less sunlight to the crop. Because of this reason, so the pest and disease attack will be more. By considering all these facts, Sorkan Breeding Institute has been developed Sorkan seedling transplanting technique for increased production and yield. To use the sugarcane seedling transplanting, ICR Central Institute of Agriculture Engineering Regional Center and ICR Sugarcane Breeding Institute Coimbatore has been developed a tractor operated two-row sugarcane seedling transplanter. By using this equipment, the two operator can feed the sugarcane seedlings one by one in the indexing mechanism. As soon as the seedlings drop, it will be dropped in the furrow formed by the sugarcane seedling transplanter. Already I told the row to row spacing can be adjusted 3 feet, 4 feet, 5 feet, depends on the farmer's need by adjusting the screw rod in the machine. Also, we can change the plant to plant spacing 1 feet, 1.5 feet, and 2 feet, depends on the farmer's requirement. So, this machine can be used for planting 5 to 6 acres per day.